How's it going? Been a while. This is an update video to tell you what the hell been going on. Obviously I haven't uploaded for 3 or 4 months, and I wanted to explain to you guys what's been going on and get back to you guys. You know, I've received so many messages getting in touch and being like, what's going on, man, where you at, and we miss you. And first up, I just want to say thank you so much for those messages. It means a lot, and I feel like it's to you guys that I want to explain why I stopped. YouTube is in itself very difficult to make work. It's very expensive, especially to make the sort of content that I want to make, which isn't just like some, you know, cat pushing a ball of wool around, or like, in truth, YouTube's really quite lonely. You come up with the ideas on your own, develop them on your own.
You shoot them on your own, you organise them on your own, film them on your own, you edit them on your own, you post them.
And there's some reaction, but it's not in real time, it's not real. And all my life, from the age of 16, I've worked within a team. I guess that was the big thing that I worked out, is that I don't enjoy working on my own. At the same time as that realisation started happening, the other thing that sort of came through is, I didn't realise at the time, but I was burnt out. I don't believe you burn out when you're doing your life's purpose, when you're kind of aligned with what it is that your role is in life. It was confusing for me because it was like, well, this is what I want to do. I want to tell stories. I want to be this chef presenter. I want to participate within this world. I want to make films. So why do I feel so shit? It's a really difficult thing to do, to just stop. To stop what you're doing, to stop earning money, to stop turning up at work. And I understand how a lot of people are just, well, I can't stop, that's not an option for me. But I'd been through a process like this before in my life, in different things. Primarily when I closed the restaurant, I just knew that I needed to close that restaurant. I didn't know where I needed to go. I had some hopes about where I wanted to go, but that was unknown because it wasn't a job. It was a dream. And so I'm familiar with the difficulties, with the mind struggle of like, where's the money gonna come from the rent, dickhead? And I'm not gonna lie to you, it's been a really challenging summer. A lot of uncertainty, not really understanding if I was gonna continue making films, if this was the right thing. Yes, there's been a lot of uncertainty and a lot of not knowing. And so what happened when I stopped? Well, the first thing that happens when you stop doing is you shit yourself and you have insecurity avalanche. I'm not going to be able to pay the rent. All these people are going to be like, what are you doing? Just being a self-involved. Nobody's going to really understand. Idiot. After that passed, the wisdom starts dropping in. And the wisdom was like, well, this beautiful thing that I fucking love, that's just been a dream come true, and it's what I always wanted to do. I started doing it for the wrong reasons. I started doing it for views, for subscribers, and money. And like, that's not terribly cool. It's certainly not inspirational. It's certainly not deeply fulfilling. But why do you do this? It's for increasing the peace and spreading the love. It's for the fact that I love food. I love the heritage of food. I particularly love the people involved in food. The way that you've bought into what I do. Like, that's why I do it. I do it for that love. Now, love don't pay the bills. Actually, it can pay the bills. I think that what I have realised and what I believe is that when you do things for the right reasons in life, when you do things with an open, positive heart that's full of enthusiasm and passion, the money comes at some point. Not worrying about subscribers or views or money. Some not worrying about money. I kind of got back to that innocence and that cool place of like, fuck this, I just want to make wicked films. And then something really interesting happened, because I believe that when you take a leap of faith in your heart, something from the unknown that you couldn't have planned for, that you didn't see, kind of drops in and you're like, whoa, that's wicked timing. They said come out to LA. And so the other reason that I'm in LA is I'm shooting a pilot for my own TV series. It's not commissioned, it's not in the bag, it's kind of circling the hoop. I've got to come back in a month's time to sell the program, but we're talking to some big players. It's loosely based on food busking, but we'll see. Sometimes you got to hustle, sometimes you got to take a risk, sometimes you just got to jump in. I wanted to share it with you because your subscription to the channel is a big reason why that's happened. Your views, your subscription, and me throwing a few moves, I'll give you that. When that gets commissioned, then that doesn't mean that the YouTube channel will stop. I just need to operate with it slightly differently. Like I say, it's not commissioned, so let's not get excited. But what is exciting is the American series. Oh, I'm just so excited to be in Miami. And I'm in LA. To Seattle, I'm in Miami, I'm in LA a lot. I do a deep dive on Korean food, and all these dishes are cult foods. The sort of food that we all want to know about. The sort of food that just gets so much excitement.
Fiver.
Fiver?
At least.
What is wrong with you?
Is that too cheap?
So just wanted to say thanks, and I've got some great videos coming your way that I'm really excited about. They're great videos, I'm really proud of them. The food's mint, and yeah. Increase the peace, spread the love, and boom.